Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Crafting, and today what I'm going to be doing is I've got hold of this plaster of Paris mask, and they're really actually very easy to get hold of, and they're not expensive at all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into a Halloween or monstery kind of mask using cardboard, egg boxes. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it in paper. And this is paper that just comes as padding in your packaging with Amazon. I always keep it and I use it for this purpose. How I'm going to use it is I've got some white glue here mixed up. It was some quite thick white glue, so I've watered it down with probably about 30% water. I'm going to use this as a paper mache. Not only will this give me a more solid base to work on, helps me to build up my layers on the mask. It won't take me long to do this. It'll probably be a 3 or 4 minute job at the most to cover this completely. Well, the mask is all nice and dry now, and I'm not going to make it too horrific because I think that would be not my kind of style. But what I want to do is I'm going to put some horns on it, put some larger eyebrows on it, put some wonky teeth on it, put quite a big smile going round. What I'm going to use for the horns is I've got this egg box. I thought, well, those bits there, I keep all these bits to make papier-mâché with. I thought these bits would make great horn. That is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to cut them out, leaving enough on there so that I can stick them down. I'm going to cut 2 out, and then I'm going to use some hot glue to stick them down. Then I'm going to cover them in some clay, in some air dry clay, that'll allow them to have a better shape.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city.
Well, this is well on the way to being dry now, and I'm really pleased with how it's come out. And it is really simple to do. Honestly, I have no sculpting or modelling skills whatsoever. I just look at it and do it bit by bit and build it up. Same as I did for these cheeks. I thought, oh, they're not right around the lips, so I just added a bit more plaster there. I hope you've liked this project. I think it'll make a great Halloween mask or decoration to have outside your house during Halloween or inside your house during Halloween. You could pop some eyes in it if you're not going to use it. Now, I am going to paint this in a separate video once this is all dried fully. I'm going to give it another couple of days to ensure that it's fully dry, and then I'll paint it. Watch out for that video. It will be coming very soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please hit that thumbs up button. It really does help my video to get out there. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this. Take care. Enjoy your crafting. Bye.